Yo, what's up, guys? This is Skippy here, bringing you a video of the unpackaging of my Battle Beaver controller that came in. So let's see. All right, let's see what we got. Well, I got my 10-foot core now, so I don't have to use batteries anymore. Oh, look, it comes in an Xbox case. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let me set this right here for a sec. This is my Battle Beaver controller that came in. Blue and white. Right here with the white sticks on the back. Great controller. Got a sticker. And they gave me some batteries with it. So there you go, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Twitter at MLG Skippy. And thank you for watching.